Hi everyone! I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys today. So in the kids section, I found these little like shrinky dink little play kits. And this one is Stitch. It says it comes with 6 pieces and a little play scene. So yeah, I'm like, let's do some crafting stuff with this, you know, maybe make a little like charm bracelet. And then they had this little princess set. So I got those. And then this was like some Christmas clearance, so I'm still like finding random stuff. Like my store has a little section of like clearance stuff, and this was just like thrown over there. So I have some snowflakes, and then these like no peeking bags with this little, what is it, penguin guy. So I don't even remember seeing these, so they must have found like a box or something in the back. And let's see, this one was another like no peeking one, but he's a lot bigger. So there's that one. Then in the larger size bag as well, it says nice until proven naughty. I think that is so funny. And then like here's the size right here. So I found 2 different sizes. I'm really happy I found those. Like I said, I didn't even see them like during like regular like Christmas time when you would have thought you would have found them. So I don't know if I said that all the Christmas stuff did ring up like half off. I think it was like 63 cents or something like that, something around there. Whatever half off is, that's what they ring up for. I did find a set of little bows right here, which are going to be perfect for Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. Or I could save them for next year, but I'll probably end up just leaving these out so I could go ahead and use them now. And then I found these little mini Christmas trees, which are always good to have in your stash. And then I went to get these because I want to do like a little embellishment box with these. I cannot find the embellishment boxes at all anymore at Dollar Tree. There used to be like a small one in the tools section. Can't find that one. I hosted a swap like 2 years ago with, it was the box over in the craft section. I cannot find that one anymore. So I'm kind of stuck on what to use for an embellishment box swap. I did want to do some Happy Meal stuff, so I think I'm going to do like a Valentine's Day themed one, and then I'll do like a whole start to finish with you guys on that once I get that going. So I just picked up 2 because I don't know why. I'm crazy and I buy in 2s. Now, these are new to me. I'm not sure if they're new to the store, but I don't remember seeing them before. I love this little guy right here, like drinking his little wine with his little spaghetti. It totally reminds me of Lady and the Tramp, and I love that movie. So I got a couple of those. I have my mom, she cuts them in half and then she crochets the top, and it has like a little loop so you can hang it off of the oven handle. So I'm gonna have her put these together for me so I can put those up in our kitchen. I like changing the towels out to like the seasons. So, you know, like right now I got some Valentine's Day towel, then I'll change it to St. Patrick's Day, then Easter, then, you know, like when there's like nothing going on, you know, I'll put like one of these out or a bumblebee one or something. So those are always just fun to have. Then I found these little thermometers. They are like redoing the like floral plant gardening section, and I am loving everything they are bringing out. It is so stinking cute. So I got this little thermometer. I don't know if I want to put this outside or, you know, like have one out here. I haven't decided yet, you know, because if I put this outside, like I don't know where I'd hang it. I would have to like make a hole in like the side of the house or something, or I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna have to think about that. But yeah, I got that little guy. I think he's so cute. Then they had these dragonfly stickers, and I can't remember if I had these already in my stash or not. So I just went ahead and I grabbed them. I don't think I do. Like, I feel like I don't remember ever seeing these before. So I picked those up. And then I picked up this box right here. It's a pencil case, but I wanted somewhere to put my Pokie tool. So I'm hoping that they will fit in here. Oh yeah, that's more than enough space in there. So that's what I got this for, was to like store all of these. I do have a link in my description box of like my favorite Amazon finds, and this is in there. So if you want to know where to get these from. I also get them from Hobby Lobby. The ones from Hobby Lobby are slightly different. They look like this with a smaller loop, and then these are like just needles. So I wanted to store these in there. I think it would be better than just having them kind of roaming around. So that's what I got that one for. So like I said, they are like redoing their little gardening section, and I got this little bee. I think he is so cute. He is like a little tin, and it just says, you know, cute as can be. I thought it was absolutely adorable. Like I said, they're redoing that. And then this has a bell at the bottom. So this one I do want to hang outside, and hopefully it'll stay looking, you know, pretty nice and not get too crazy. There's like a little hook up here as well, so you go hang them off of like a little branch of a tree or bush or something. I think I'm gonna we have like nails where we hang our Christmas lights. So I think I'm gonna go hang them off of there for right now, so you can just like hang and swing and then, you know, jingle the little bell, because I just think that'd be really cute. Okay, so that's going to be it for this short little video. Apparently, I didn't get all my bags, so I'll have to come back with a separate video and share with you guys what else I have. I still need to share with you guys my St. Patrick's Day and my Easter stuff that I bought the other day, because I was kind of separating those out. So some of there I must have mixed up another bag. So stay tuned. Like I said, a lot more hauls. I've been doing too much shopping, more shopping than I should be doing. But you guys know how it is. The store brings out new stuff. You see it, you need it in your life, so you got to get it, right? Because later on, you're going to be looking for it and you're not going to be able to find it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.